Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial with EC QuickBooks training. Today we're going to talk about delayed charges. So let's get started. What is a delayed charge? Well, in QuickBooks Online, you can create charges that you will bill your customer for later. And in order to do that, you go under New Transaction, Delayed Charge. So let's create a few delayed charges and see how we can use this. Okay, so here's the customer, and it's really simple to use. Here's the customer, the date of the charge. And like I said, this is good if you have a lot of charges and are not ready to bill the customer yet. So you want to gather all those charges, keep them in QuickBooks, and then you will be ready to bill the customer. So you want to select your items if you're using items. So let's put this item, and I'm just going to put $100 there. And then we're going to click Save and New. And let's go back, and it's right here, the delayed charge. So as you can see, you can create several of these charges, and then you can invoice the customer. Let's do another one. Let's do for a different date. And let's do a different item. And you can mark it taxable. If it's taxable, let's click Save and New. So it's right here. And as you can see, it kind of almost looks like an invoice, but it's not. It's just a non-posting transaction, meaning it's really, it's like a purchase order. It's not going to post to the register until you create an invoice. And as you can see here on the side, these are items that you can put on an invoice. We have billable time or charge to. So we're going to add this one because that's the other delayed charge. And these little links right here, it's just the charge. You're linking the delayed charge to the invoice. That's why it's here. You can also remove it. It says 2 link transactions. They're right here. And then you can go ahead and create the invoice and send it to your customer. So delayed charges, like I said, it's like if you have several items that you need to bill your customer, invoice your customer for, but you're not ready to do so, you can use a delayed charge. Now, delayed charge, I believe, is not available on the Intuit app, but it is available certainly on the web. So I hope that you find this helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you on the next one.